Hello all and welcome to this video. So you've probably seen from the video what's the future for Tiger Rock at Chessington WOA Adventures, or CWOA. So in this video I'm going to be talking about an idea that I've got and something I'd like to see happen to the land that Tiger Rock is currently on at the moment, with maybe the removal of Tomb Blaster as well, and some of the tree line at the back, where next door where the glamping is. This might be a short video, it might not be a short video, we'll see how it go. But yeah, I'm going to be talking about, I'm on Google Maps at the moment, so I'm looking at the area, what I'm going to be speaking about. It's next to where Minecraft is going to go. There's a lot of speculation about what's going to happen to this land in the future. Is it going to become part of Minecraft? Is it going to become an original land like it is now? Is it going to be an intellectual property, a different IP? There's all different speculation about what's going to happen to Tiger Rock land in the future. And there's also people not talking about what's going to happen to Tiger Rock in the future, especially the state it's currently in. And apparently, I think as well, it is an old ride system. It's a very old ride system. I think it's been around the same time as Vampire. I wouldn't be completely sure. I'm not sure about that, but I think it's been refurbished time and time again and rethemed. And it's not a new ride system. It's completely outdated. But if I was going to replace it with anything, in my opinion, there's two things I'd love to see replace it, and also Tomb Blaster. One, starting out with a GCR wooden roller coaster. Now, Wicker Man's been very, very successful, and I love Wicker Man. I've never been on the roller coaster. It is a roller coaster that I'd love to go to Alton Towers and ride and even observe. I love the story. I love the scary theme. I love how the roller coaster goes under the structure 3 times. I love to see something like that at Chessington WOA Adventures. Not the same theme, but like a different theme. Another option I'd like to see with the same sort of option of theming is a RMC steel coaster, or maybe two that are racing each other. I did think maybe Jordan coasters that do the same elements, but then I thought, why not do it? This isn't an original idea, I've seen this somewhere in the world. Why not have one roller coaster that is family, which duals and everything? So it's the same make coaster, same train, same everything. But you've got one that's a thrill coaster and one that's a family coaster. And you have one that actually races. They both race against each other, but one's going through like upside down inversion elements, and another one is going through like family elements, like basically sharp corners, not sharp corners, but like corners that where you go up on your side, and basically it's basically non-inverted. One's non-inverted, one's family non-inverted, and one is a thrill coaster that goes upside down, with like loads of immersive theming. Now that Universal Studios has got the go-ahead and officially been confirmed by Universal and the UK government themselves, I'm now looking at potential new ways of how the Merlin parks could add new experiences and new additions to the parks, both IP and original. I have got my opinions on intellectual property. IPs are very temporary, whereas original rides are long term, like Vampire at Chessington. That's not an intellectual property, that's an original theme, and it's loved because it's so original. And also it's loved because of the roller coaster type that it is and everything else like that. I'm hoping it's got a long future, Vampire. We'll have to see. I'll do a video on that at some point. But this ride, I don't think, it's the question of how long has this ride got left in it, and also the whole area. I mean, it's still got I believe the Buddha that's still there. And also it's still got the same station building and all that there, and also from Theme Park Worldwide's video, it is in bad condition, so it's not maintained very good. So is that a sign that it hasn't got long left? Let me know in the comment section below. What would you like to see it replaced with? What would you like to see Tiger Rock maybe replaced with? And also, how long has Tiger Rock actually got left? Has it got a few years left? Has it got 5 years left? Has it got 2 years or 1 year left? Is this the last season? You know, it's all speculation. There's been a theory that Minecraft might it might be an expanded land for Minecraft. I mean, that's very possible. I hope not, but then again, it could be. But really, I'd love to see an original roller coaster or an original land, another one built right next door, because we haven't really, in the last so many years, had original lands put in. I'm hoping that the 2026 land that's coming, which is called Project Play, if you want to find out a bit more about that, go onto Attraction Source. He's got all the information, all the concept art and all the plans on there, so you can go and have a look, all the layout and everything. I'll put that in the link in the description below. Also, I'll put Minecraft in the link in the description below, so you can go and have a look at that as well. I would like to see where Tiger Rock, I'd like to see either, well, both Toon Blaster and Tiger Rock ripped out, maybe in the future if they haven't got long left, and then a big RMC or dueling RMC, like I say, one thrill coaster, one family coaster, racing each other and going in and out of elements, theming pieces, and basically being similar to Wicker Man and basically on the immersive scale of Universal. That's going to be the future, especially now Universal is now being confirmed to happening, which is good. If you haven't seen my reaction video, go check that out on Rumble. There is a video of it coming out in the future, unless I've released it on YouTube already. I don't really remember. I've looked on there earlier, but I don't know if I've released it yet or anything. So if it is on YouTube, check it out. If it's not on YouTube, it's over on Rumble. Go check it out. I've done a reaction video to that. It's not a full reaction. It's a very quiet reaction to the same as this. Like I say, it's 11:51. Well, it is 11:51 in the evening at the time I'm filming this on the 14th of the 4th, 2025. So it's Tuesday. Well, it's Tuesday coming up. It's actually Monday. Let me know in the comment section below. Would you like to see a GCI wooden coaster in that location? Would you like to see an RMC? Would you like to see two RMCs racing against each other? Do you like this idea? Do you not like this idea? Let me know below. I'd love to see your feedback. Love to read your feedback and your comments. Or would you like to see something completely different? I mean, I did suggest a water coaster. Maybe a water coaster goes there to replace the log flume that's there. I don't know. I've got loads of ideas and loads of speculation for the future to come. This is only the start. So yeah, let me know below what you would like to see. I've been DJS Official UK on Rumble, DJS Video Shorts on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notifications via the bell below, and please share this video as well as my other videos on with both family, friends, travel tourism and theme park enthusiasts. If you're watching this on Rumble, don't forget to like or dislike via the thumbs below. Follow to become a supporter. Comment below any feedback and share this video as one of my other videos on with both family, friends, travel tourism and theme park enthusiasts again. Thank you very much for watching. This has been a very short video. We'll be uploading more soon. And what do you think is going to happen? What do you think the future is for Tiger Rock at Chessington WOA Adventures? Let me know below. Cheerio for now.